In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement multi-language support in Salesforce in just 3 easy steps. This process ensures that your Salesforce platform is ready to accommodate users from various linguistic backgrounds, enhancing their experience and interaction with your applications. Let's dive right into the steps to set it up. First, you need to log into your Salesforce account. It's important to make sure you're logging in with an account that has the necessary permissions to change language settings. Typically, this would be an administrative level account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard. Navigating through it with ease is helpful, especially when you're making configurations like these. Next, find the Setup option, which is symbolized by a gear icon located at the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. Go ahead and click on it to open Advanced Setup. If you're familiar with the Salesforce interface, Setup is your main hub for changes within your organization's platform. This is where you'll have access to all the detailed settings options you need. With Advanced Setup open, your next step is to use the Quick Find box. Right at the top of the page, it's incredibly useful for if you want to skip manually scrolling through all the features. In this Quick Find box, type in Language Settings. This directs you quickly to the language configuration area without hassle. After you've typed in and located language settings, the next thing you'll see is the Translation and Language Settings option. Click on it to proceed with enabling translations. Why is this necessary? Well, enabling translation language settings paves the way for any additional languages you plan to incorporate into your Salesforce environment. It's a foundation step you cannot skip. Now it's time to decide which languages you'd like to implement. Navigate over to Language Settings. Here, you'll have the opportunity to add, activate, or even deactivate languages. Consider the languages most relevant to your team or customer base. Once you've selected the languages that you need, make sure they are active. This ensures that users can switch to these languages and view all information in their preferred tongue. The final step is crucial. Don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save button so all these configurations are securely stored and applied. It's always a good practice to double-check that your settings have been saved properly. This action finalizes the language setup process and makes your Salesforce platform readily usable in multiple languages. And there you have it. Implementing multi-language support in Salesforce is a straightforward task when you know the steps. With this feature, you can significantly improve accessibility and user experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Salesforce's robust capabilities.